Hey there, got a Bosch Dishwasher E12 error showing up on your screen? Let's break down what that really means and how to handle it without calling in the cavalry. So, the E12 code is basically your dishwasher's way of saying, hey, there's way too much limescale in the heating system. Over time, hard water can leave mineral deposits inside your machine, especially around the heating element. When that builds up, your dishwasher can't heat the water properly, and that's when the E12 error kicks in. If you ignore it, you risk damaging the heating system itself, and that's a repair you definitely want to avoid. The good news? You can usually fix the Bosch dishwasher a 12 issue on your own. All you need to do is run a descaling cycle. Grab a good quality descaler, preferably one designed for dishwashers, and follow the instructions on the packaging. Some people use vinegar, but honestly, a proper descaler works faster and safer. Once the cycle is done, the error often disappears. If it doesn't, you might need to run the process again, or, in rare cases, call a service technician to check for any deeper blockages. Professional descaling service, that'll set you back anywhere from $80 to $150, depending on your location. Doing it yourself? Just the cost of a cleaner, maybe $10 to $20. To wrap it up, the Bosch Dishwasher E12 error is a heads up about limescale, not a system meltdown. Regular maintenance and descaling can keep your dishwasher running smoothly and extend its life for years. Need more appliance tips? Hit that subscribe button for more helpful guides like this one.